Okay, so I'm making this video for Noah because he doesn't believe he snores. You guys can already hear him. He's on the couch because we've been fighting, but I'm gonna wake him up. Why the fuck do you snore so loud?